In this tutorial, I'll show you how to print from Jotform. This is useful when you need physical copies of your forms or want to save them as PDFs. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to print and click Edit Form. Once you're in the form builder, click Add Element on the left side and open the Basic tab. Scroll down and select Submit to add the Submit element to your form if it's not already there. Next, click the gear icon next to the Submit button to open its settings. In the Settings panel, go to the Advanced tab and turn on the Print button option. Once you've enabled it, click Publish at the top of the page to save your changes. Now copy your form's shareable link and open it in a new browser tab. When the form loads, you'll see the Print button. Click it to open your browser's Print dialog. From here, select your printer and click Print, or choose to save the form as a PDF. That's how to print from Jotform. Thanks for watching.